Bro, now when I'm on the fucking shitter. Bro, this can't be fucking real, man. Bro, everyone's outside. I don't have a... Boy, what? Alright, bro. I just needed to take a fucking shit. Shit, bro. What the fuck? Not when I was in the fucking shitter, bro. Stop me mid-shit. We're good. I'm going back. People went outside, like... Oh, right, because it's behind.
And I'm here to help to guide you.
Hope. Oh well. Yo, they gave me hot chocolate instead of the coffee. I'm not complaining though. Not complaining.
Those questions will post. Number whatever. Okay? We will go over it on Monday before we move on to the next.
No point in teasing me.
Bitch, what?
I think we should talk.
Head east toward road. Turn right toward road.
Little city with expensive taste. Let us struggle just a little bit more.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning.
Okay, first of all, why the fuck am I an AI? And then bro, I'm being misgendered by AI. It's gotta be Toby. I swear to God, it's got. Tana just commented on my video. Tana just commented. Tana Mojo. Tana Mongo. Tana Manja. I asked for donuts and Lord attempted to give me donuts. Bro, I gotta be more receptive. Be more receptive.
Okay, bye.